Math can be scary for kids, it's full of rules and numbers, but it doesn't have to be. Making math fun helps kids learn. When they enjoy it, they pay attention, they remember more. And guess what? They start to like math. Learning should be enjoyable. Math is no different. We want kids to be curious. We want them to ask questions. Let's make math a happy experience. Games are a fantastic way to teach math. Board games like Sum Swamp make addition exciting. Blocus helps with spatial reasoning. Even card games like Go Fish teach number recognition. Get creative with activities too. Baking is a delicious way to learn fractions. Building with blocks teaches geometry. Turn math into an adventure. Math is everywhere. At the grocery store, have kids compare prices. On a car ride, ask them to count red cars. Use these moments to sneak in math practice. Setting the table is great for patterns. Dividing snacks teaches division. Math doesn't have to mean worksheets. Every child learns differently. Some pick up math quickly, others need more time and practice. Be patient and encouraging. Break down big problems into smaller steps. Use visual aids like number lines or counters. Celebrate every success, no matter how small.